I used to lie to myself every single morning. I would wake up and say, if I just had 2 more hours, I could build my business. If I just had more time, I would get in shape. I truly believed I was swamped. I believed I was grinding. Then I did something that shattered my ego in 5 seconds. I installed a time tracking app, the kind that records everything you do. I thought it would prove how hard I was working. Instead, it proved I was a fraud. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step system that took me from busy and broke to working 4 hours a day and doubling my income. It's going to sound simple, but stick with me because the first step is physically painful. So I looked at the data from my first week of tracking. I expected to see 10 hours of deep work. What I saw made me want to throw my laptop out the window. 2 hours on Twitter, 90 minutes checking email, which just meant rereading the same emails. 45 minutes staring at a blank doc getting ready to work. Out of a 10-hour workday, I did 2.5 hours of actual work. The rest wasn't work, it was leakage. I was leaking 7.5 hours of my life every single day, and then complaining I was too busy to go to the gym. That is when it clicked. I didn't have a time problem. I had a denial problem. People say time is money. That is garbage advice. If you lose money, you can make it back. If you lose time, it is gone forever. Time is life. When you spend an hour doom scrolling, you aren't wasting time. You are deleting a piece of your existence. So I created a new rule, the 72-hour ROI test. Before I say yes to anything, a meeting, a favor, a video, I ask, is this worth trading a piece of my life for? Most of the time, the answer is hell no. This question is brutal, but it stops the bleeding instantly. But mindset isn't enough. You need a mechanism. Here is the exact tool I used to fix my focus. I stopped using digital to-do lists. They are infinite dopamine traps. I switched to 3 physical indexed cards. Every morning, I write my top 3 missions on separate cards. Rule: only 1 card on the desk at a time. If card 1 is on the desk, I cannot touch my phone, I cannot check email, I cannot quickly check a stat. I am locked in a cage with that task until it is done. This forces single tasking. You can ignore a notification on a screen. You cannot ignore a physical card sitting on your keyboard staring at you. It turns work into a game you can win. Within 30 days of doing this, my life looked unrecognizable. I finished projects I had been planning for 2 years. I wasn't stressed. I was done. Here is my challenge to you. Don't try harder. Audit yourself. Track your time for just 3 days. Be honest. Once you see where your life is actually going, you can't unsee it. You don't need more time. You just need to stop leaking it. If you are ready to stop lying to yourself and start building, hit that like button. Subscribe for more reality checks. Your time is your life. Defend it.